Hi, I'm Morgan Flores, and I did my map on Davie County because this is where I grew up. So, this is a map of Davie County. I have color coded all these dots to have the different questions that were pulled up. So, the first one is who makes the decisions in the community? And that I did yellow. So who I said this was the Moxville courthouse, which is right here. And I also said the Advance Town Hall because these are where a lot of political people get together and talk about what's happening in the county. My second one was what does our power look like currently and where are the opportunities to build? So that one I did orange, and again, I said the courthouse, the Advanced Town Hall, Davie County High School because um, a lot of power and opportunities to build are at the high school. And I also said a lot of our farms. So Davie County is a rural county, and so we have a bunch of farms in this area, all spread out throughout the county. Where is power and decision making concentrated? I did red for that one. Again, the courthouse, town hall. I also did the police station because um, people get together and at the police station and they make the decisions in the county. The police chief does. What are the root issues that create barriers where I live? So that one I did this magenta pink color. I said poverty, drug problems, and budget issues. So a lot of those are in Coolamy. Coolamy has a lot of poverty and drug and addiction problems here. But I also put budget issues down here because in um in the middle of Moxville because the courthouse is there and that's where a lot of budget issues are talked about. And I also put it right here at the high school because the high school was a big budget fight for a lot of years, and they finally cleared it about 5 years ago to build it. What are major landmarks, roads, water, borders? So this is Interstate 40. It kind of just runs through Davie County. This is Main Street. This is downtown Moxville. A lot of stuff goes on in downtown Moxville. In Coolamy, the Bull Hole is here. A lot of people go and congregate at the Bull Hole. And then the Yadkin River is also over here, right by separating us from Clemens and Forsyth County. So the next one is what are my favorite places in Davie County? Definitely downtown Moxville. We have great places like the station and Restaurant 101, a lot of very locally owned businesses that are really great. I also put our new, oh, this is dark green, I'm sorry. Our new, this is where our new park, that was just built, and also Rich Park. That is a publicly owned park. What are my experiences with power? I did that blue, and I did Davie County High School because I played sports, and a lot of people go to sports games, and a lot of money comes in from sports, and you have a lot of pressure, and people look up to you when you play sports. Dark blue are where people gather, so downtown Main Street. That's a big one with all of our local businesses. The Bull Hole again, the high school for sports games, and yeah. So, The next one is light purple, and this is where is good work happening to overcome challenges and create solutions. So I said the courthouse again, Advance Town Hall, and also local farms because they do help with the poverty. And then who are the key players in your community? And that is dark purple. So we have a lot of locally owned businesses in Moxville, downtown especially. Davie County Community or Davidson County Community College is also in here. We have a lot of churches throughout Davie County which do a lot of good. And Clint Boyer, who is a race car driver, also lives in Davie County. And one thing that I found interesting is that Davie County has a lot of pockets where this powerfulness, this power is coming from and is not spread throughout the whole county.